po kami sa sakyan at kami po talagang pupunta po sa Mud Bay. Yan po Mud Bay, yan po yung store kung saan po binibili yung mga dog food at saka yung mga ano po, basta mga everything for food, for dog, yan po. Talaga po tayo gabi na po talaga tayo pupunta doon dahil po busy po tayo the whole day. Yan po, samahan niyo po kami mga kapitbahay. Hello guys, we're here now. See? We're here at the outside. See, now we're gonna go to Mud Bay. Yay! Oh, they had the home goods over here. Look.
Yeah, you've been here.
I know, but I never been for a longest time.
You want to go to Home Goods after?
Yeah. Look at that, home goods. Then we're going to Mud Bay. Oh, it's very nice over there. Like it there. I forgot about the home goods.
It's like if Marshalls had class.
Yeah. Yan guys. Yan. We're going inside. So where's the name? Couldn't even see it. Let me see. Mud Bay. We are here at Mud Bay, guys. So we're looking for the. Oh no, that's a dog food. Oh my God! Look at that, guys. It's a lot of toys. Look, this is dog toys. Look at that. Oh wow! This is so cute. Oh my God! This is a. Oh my God! Look at this, guys. Look at the house called the dog over here. Oh my gosh. And my God, what is this? Oh, I thought this is the ear. Oh, this is the... Oh, sweetheart, this is the ear. Oh my God, how much is this one? Is it good to like this one, the ear? Oh my gosh. And this is a... Oh, this is a cat. Oh, I never seen this one. This one. Oh my God, look at this. I love that. Oh, oh, don't buy that.
Still, you can else to put it out.
Look at all this toy. Hi, how are you? Oh, look at all the food. Oh my God, it's all plastic over here, sweetheart. This is all good. Oh, that's not expensive. Look, they had a $5. No. Oh, no. Maybe she's gonna have a hard time. Oh my God, I'm having a good time to making a video. This kind of dog that I have. This is a chicken place. Oh my God. Look how small are they? Oh, this is the organic one. Look. Of the organic. I'm gonna take it. No, the one that where we buy that. You think we're gonna get those at the Walmart? Why? That's hers. Hers is not expensive. I like when she likes her food. Yeah. Ayan po mga kapitbahay, nandito po tayo sa bahay after nagpunta po tayo sa Mud Bay. Bali, eto po ang ating mga pinamili sa ating Mud Bay. Eto po. Bali, nakakuha po tayo ng treats ni Dulce. Ayan po. Ayan. Hindi po siya masyadong marami. Kasi po, itatry lang po natin kung magugustuhan niya. Yan po. Marami po yan. Bali, halo-halo po yan. Yan. Bali, yan lang po ang ating binili. Tapos, eto po. Ito po ang ating binili. Ito po. Ayan. Bale, ito po hahalo lang po natin to sa ating pagkain niya. Kasi po yung nabili po namin parang di niya po gusto. Ito po. Bale, itatry lang po natin to para sa kanya po, mga kapitbahay. Ayan po. Bale po, mga kapitbahay, maraming salamat po sa inyo, sa aking pagsama, sa aming Mud Bay, sa aming pagka-shopping para po sa aming baby na si Dulce. Maraming salamat po. Please like, share, and subscribe na po kayo. Mag-iingat po kayo. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be happy. Bye! Salamat po!